Well, today I'm going to clear up a question you had about the game where wins meet, which is how to add a friend so you can play together, alright? Drop a like, subscribe, and let's clear this up. To play co-op with your friend, you need to follow the main missions until around level 3 or 4. I'm level 4 here, but I think this feature unlocked at level 3. So just keep following the story. Once you press ESC, this social option will be unlocked. While this isn't unlocked, you can't do it. Follow the story and it will appear. Then you click here, go to Friend, and then Add. Type your friend's name or ID. My ID, for example, is this one here. Ask your friend for his ID or his name, and you add him here. After you add him, he accepts it, and he will show up in your friends list. There's a co-op mode where you can play together. For example, when you click on a player here, you press apply/enter, and you can join that person in co-op to do the activities that can be done together. Here you have a list of what can be done in co-op. So that's it. See you next time.